Not gonna hold you guys up. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful Saturday out here, man. Just got off of work, like always. And today, man, we're gonna be installing these LED headlights from Protex. I will put the link in the description on where I got them from. I ordered them off of eBay. I think I paid like 17 bucks. You know, we're gonna see, you know, what's the quality of these, man. Do they last long? I will do a night, you know, vision of the lights, how they look or whatever. But gonna be installing these today, man. I did not buy decoders because, you know, I heard some people say they need them, some say they don't. So I'm gonna try my luck with these, man, and hopefully I won't need no decoders, man. So you know, hopefully, you know, this is gonna work out for us today. But so that's what we're gonna be doing, man. We're gonna be installing these LED lights right here, man. So take them out for y'all. Hey, when you're dealing with any type of lights or anything, man, I always put you some gloves on or something. You don't never want to touch the lights, you know, with your with just your bare hands. So this LED light here, these are the ones with the built-in fan right here. If y'all can see that, it has the built-in fan. It is a double-sided LED light. Far as I know, man, I think it's just for low beams. I don't think it's low and high beams on these. So, but hopefully they bright enough that you won't even have to worry about no high beams, man. So we're gonna install these, man. The left side I already took out. The right side, you gotta kind of take the air manifold off to get to that side. So we're gonna get to that, man. So y'all stay tuned. No idea why Dodge, you know, will put these yellow halogen bulbs in these expensive cars, man, when the fog lights are clearly white, the DRLs are white, but for some reason they put the yellowish tint in the bulbs. I have no idea why they did that. On my 2017 RT that I had, you know, it came with I think it had HIDs in it, and it was like 6K on the color, which is white. So I'm gonna let y'all check out the DRL and the fog lights. And here go the Scat, man. We doing a lot of things today. And I'm probably gonna be shooting like 3 or 4 videos today and releasing them throughout the week. So let's see if we can get this to cut on for you guys. Alright, we might gotta cut the car on. Let's see here. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. Okay, fogs are on. Now, man, as y'all can clearly see, man, the fog lights, I'm talking about, look pretty icy white. The DRLs, icy white. And you get to this bulb right here, man. Come on, Dodge. Like I say, guys, I already started to take that side out. I haven't put that bulb in yet, but so yeah, man, we're gonna do that right quick. And I'm gonna put these in, and you know, y'all can kind of watch how I do it, but it's pretty easy, man. Like I said, these are Protex LED auto headlighting system. I got these off of eBay. And the size on the Dodge Charger Scatpacks, the bulb is gonna be right here, guys. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Let's see, do I got it upside down? No, it was right. Come on, baby, focus. I don't know if y'all can see that, man, but it's actually, let's see. $9,005 is this bulb, which is a HB3. So you guys need to get a HB3, or it might say 9005, or it could even say 9006. So that is the bulb size that comes out of the 2019 Scatpacks. Don't know about any other model. I'm only speaking for the 2019 Scatpacks. So we're gonna get to this, man. We're gonna install these. I'm installing mine without decoders first to see if they work and they don't flicker. Hopefully I won't need decoders, guys. And if all is well, I'm gonna give y'all a night look at the lights and let y'all see how they look, man. So I'm finna get to it. I'm finna install this left one first. Easy to get to. It's a little cap. Just kind of press down on this cap right here, which is this. Comes right off. And remember, I already took the light off for that one. So, and with these, man, it's a negative and positive side. So, as you can see, they label right here. It says 6K on them, 6,000K. And so let's see what they do, man. If you put it on the first time and you cut it on and it don't work, then 9 times out of 10 it just needs to be flipped to the other side. See if we got lights. Woo, that thing is bright. You guys see how bright this is? This is only with 2 of them. And right off the bat, I feel that fan on. So, yeah, here it is, man. I don't see any flickering right now. So we're going to proceed with the install, guys. So I'm going to let them lights go off before I pull it off. So before I try to put it in, I'm going to let that go off right quick. All right, here we go. All right, YouTube, what's going on, man? Here we go, man. Here go the final look. The LED lights are installed on the Scatpack. As y'all can see, now all my lights match. Much cleaner look. Not gonna lie, you guys, I previously said the left side was the easiest for me. Well, let me say my left, which will be your right side. If you're looking from the you know, inside of the cab, inside of the car, I mean. But anyway, this side over here, I said was the easiest side. I thought this would be the hard side simply because you gotta take all this shit off. But man, once you remove this, you can get right to the light on the side. Take this bolt off. Take this off of the little deal right here. Unscrew this and pull the air manifold thing out. Put it to the side, man. You got easy access to that corner. This thing over here on the left side, down up in here, man, I ain't gonna lie, man, kicked my butt. And as you can see, I don't know if it's because of the lights, got fans on the back of them or what, but man, I had a hard time trying to get this left one sealed back, man. So as y'all can see, man, you still see a little blue kind of poking out just a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna cause any you know, this little humidity or whatever inside of here, but man, I'm hoping it don't. I mean, I got it in there as tight as I can, so I'm gonna kind of watch it, man. But like I said, I'm gonna give y'all another detailed look, man, on the at nighttime on this video. But once again, these are the LED lights that I installed from Protex. Alright, you guys, the car is running. Still don't see any flickering yet, man, with my lights. So hopefully, man, I don't need the decoders in this thing. But they are in with no decoders. No decoders. The LED lights are in, man. Quick little mod right here. Must do mod, guys. Y'all gotta check this out right here, man. Gotta check it out. Hey, YouTube, I want to get these lights for y'all right quick, man. I just noticed something on these lights. I'm finna cut the lights on. Let me zoom in. All right. Now, as y'all can see, man, these are LED lights. Excuse the background. I'm just taking this picture just because I've seen how it was in the deal. But as you can see how the LED lights, they got one at the top and there's one at the bottom. Now these are just regular lights. Now it don't look like that. Got a guy coming through. Now it don't look like that in the halogen bulb, as y'all know. But now I didn't know if these had bright lights. Now check this out. Damn, man, them things get bright. Man, I'm talking about, hey man, I'm most definitely gonna get a night view, because now I gotta know, like, I gotta see like how these lights look. But I just thought it was pretty cool. They was kind of, you can kind of see that top and bottom on the lights, man. Kind of makes it look a little. All right, YouTube, man, here go the night shot of the lights, man. As y'all can see, them things is super bright, man. The left, well, the passenger side, I think I might gotta fix just a little bit, but man, those things are bright, man. So here it is, man. Here go the night shot of the lights. I'm gonna get a shot from inside of the cab and let y'all see what they look like. All right, man, so as y'all can see, this is the low beam feature. Now we're gonna cut on the high beams. So there they go, man. The LED lights. Link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe.